Hello, everyone. Thanks for the quick fill on this book. Missing a few payments. I've already posted who's missing, and we're going to go live here. All right, guys, we are live. Here we have a local time of 8:07 p.m., 8:07 p.m., and we have our detective, 359, 2.5 CBCS. Our list is up here. We have our 49 entries from 1 through 49. All right, guys. There's our time as well, 8:07, 8:07. Just double check really quick, and there's the 8:07. So, me gone live on our thread. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start this. Again, everyone, thanks for the quick fill. Thanks for the tremendous success we've had today alone in closing books. Really good movement, guys. All right, and we're gonna roll our 3 dice. All righty, 12, and we're gonna go ahead and start it. There's round 1, round 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, guys. Top name takes this book home. Good luck. And our winner is spot 41, Jeff Mazza. I'm going to come down. PRODFH. That's our verification code. Here's our time, 8:09 here, 8:09 here, and there it goes, 8:09. All right, guys. Again, there's your verification. Top spot, 12 rounds. Congratulations. We are done. All right, winner, please PM me. We'll go ahead and get that out to you. Thanks a lot, guys.